Hi guys, your girl is here in Port Huron, Michigan, and it's a Friday night and they're gonna have a art hop. So we're gonna go check out all the artwork and all the crafts and all the fun stuff, and Obi's ready for this adventure. So let's go. Well, this is downtown Port Huron. This is where I was born and raised, in this town. And we've got mobile music on wheels, you know. And there's an ice cream parlor, there's clothing stores, and lots of art. So let's go ahead and start this way down and check things out, and we'll go from there. Name.
Thank you. Do you want my card?
Sure. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, another dog coming. So it's a funny story. When I was growing up, the big thing to do on a Friday and a Saturday was to cruise downtown Port Huron, and we would go 5 blocks one way, 5 blocks the other way, so total of 10 blocks, circle around and come back and do it all over again. And we had people on the sidewalks, they were in cars, we all just kind of talked. That's how we communicated back then. We didn't have cell phones, so we went to cruise night. Oh, they've got macrame. You can get a massage here now. We're here at the Sperry's. It's now a movie house, but this used to be a department store, and there was like 3 levels on there, plus a balcony. And this is where we used to do all our shopping when we were younger. There wasn't many places around besides Sperry's to do the shopping. But now they moved it into, they made it into a movie house. All right, here's some more different artwork. Flamingos, they must have known I was gonna be here. How cute.
Oh yeah, your necklace is so pretty.
Thank you. Dolphin. Very pretty, I like it.
Thank you.
Now we're here, this is the senior tequilas. And they have doors that open up for the restaurant. So nice for on a nice summer day. Today it's a little cool out, I think, for the door to be open. I will say downtown has really changed a lot since I was a little girl. Seems to be a lot of stores, but the little mom and pop stores, so that's nice to see. And then we have a, what is this, a country market up here. So we can go in there and buy stuff. I guess that's good for the people that live down here in downtown Port Huron. They have a grocery store now, where before they never had. They even have face painting and glitter tattoos, if you're interested in that. Not really much. There's another couple tables this way, but it's not a very big park or art hop. Now they have a papaya branch here, and I know they're just starting to open these up all over. I think I've seen a couple in Florida so far. Now over here, you can come over here and get your hair colored. They've got color that they're putting in kids. They're braiding and coloring hair. This area is all newly redone. I mean, these buildings along here had never been here before, but this is the bridge, Military Street Bridge. And we used to come down here and party on boat night. They have a boat race that goes from Port Huron to Mackinac Island, and the night before the race, boat night, is a pretty fun night when you're jumping from boat to boat and just having a good old party. That's back in my heyday when I was a lot younger. Obi's like in the area checking out the grass. He says, Mom, the grass is different here. How come? Because we don't have grass in Florida. We have weeds. I can tell you this little boy is shaking and shivering. He's cold. I should have brought his sweatshirts. Alright guys, that was the art hop in Port Huron, Michigan. Not a whole lot there. It was just fun. I was sitting around talking with my goddaughter and her sister and walking around. So it was just a nice little visit that we ended up having. There wasn't much art here. I thought there would have been a little bit more. I was hoping there would have been a little bit more, but oh well. It's Port Huron. Used to it. Everything fizzes out. All right, let me quit talking about my town like that. All right. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.